Let's make some muffins. I'm going to make blueberry muffins today. Muffins are one of my favourite things to make, especially if it's the middle of the night or you don't want to make a lot of noise, because they don't really need any equipment to make them. You just get all the dry ingredients together in one bowl and all the wet ingredients together in another bowl. At the last moment, combine the two, put them into your prepared cake tin and bake them. Let's do it. So I've already measured out everything, and in here I have my flour. I'm going to add to that my sugar. I need half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to add that in. And 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So 1, 2, 3. And that's everything that we need on the dry side. Now we have our milk. I've used oil today, sunflower oil. You could melt butter, it's the same amount of quantity. And 1 egg. My shell, I always like to compost the shells. And then I'm going to mix all there you go. I've mixed all of the wet ingredients. It's as straightforward as that. Now I'm going to mix together all the dry ingredients, and then I'll check my oven is at temperature. I'm going to pour in my wet ingredients, add in my blueberries, combine it all, and you just combine until it is all wet. You do not want to over stir this. There we go. I'm just making sure that I don't have any dry ingredients that's showing. That's looking good. A quick check through. And now all I have to do is put them into my prepared muffin tins. So here we go. What I tend to do is put a bit into each one and then top them up. Which one? There we go. We know the oven's at temperature, so let's put them in for about 20 minutes. Now let's get them out of the oven. There they are. I'm going to get a wire tray down. I can actually put that straight onto. Here we go. We can just lift them off. A batch of muffins, and in all honesty, I sometimes do them at breakfast as well. Very quick, very easy, and freshly made. They freeze brilliantly as well, and excellent to go into a lunchbox. Put it in frozen, and then it helps keep everything else cold, but it will be defrosted by the time you or your child needs it at lunchtime.